how to approve health and incident journals. Welcome to the training session on acknowledging health and incident journals in ChildFriendly. To begin, click on the dashboard icon. Click on the Incident, Accident, Illness tab. This will show you journals pending admin approval. Click any journal to view details. To edit a journal, select the Edit Activity icon. You can download it as a PDF using the PDF icon or reject it by clicking the X icon. Approve a journal by clicking the checkmark icon, then confirm by selecting Approve in the pop-up. The journal will then be sent to parents or guardians for their review and digital signature. Digital signatures are only required from parents if your center has toggled on this feature in the center setup. To view past incident records, go to the Incident Accident Records tab, where you can filter by date and group. Similarly, you can view illness records in the Illness Records tab with options to filter by date or group. The Acknowledgements tab shows all pending and acknowledged reports for tracking purposes. Remember, digital signatures or acknowledgements are only required from parents if your center has toggled on this feature in the center setup. To activate this feature, navigate to the Centers tab in the Setup module, then toggle on the Report Acknowledgement icon to activate it.